I like it. Okay. Okay. Hey y'all, so I did this really supernatural makeup look for y'all today, and it's really easy, and it's hot as fuck in here, but yeah, this week it's hot. But yeah, I did this supernatural makeup look, and it's very easy. I know you can tell I got some makeup on, but it's really soft and don't look like I got nothing on. If y'all want this simple, easy look, yes, keep watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with this Too Faced primer and just prime my whole entire face. The foundation today I'll be using will be Cover FX foundation in the colors G50 and G70. You gotta shake them up because if you don't, water will come out. I'm mixing those two colors together because I need to get my skin tone. Then I'll just be taking this sponge and just blending it out. But then I'll go in with another brush and just buffer out all the makeup. Now in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm concealing my eyes and my under eyes, and this is in the color Pure Beige, and I'll be using two palettes today. The 35 OM palette will be the one I'm using first, and then the palette with all the shimmery shades in it will be the 35 B palette. These are from Morphe. 35 OM palette is on sale at Ulta Beauty right now for $15, y'all. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna take the lightest browns in this palette and just blend them all into my eyes because you don't want nothing too dark. We're going for a natural look today. We have to keep blending. Just keep on blending with small product. Like, do not add a lot of product. Just add a little bit and just keep blending that out until you get the natural brown look. Oh shit, y'all, I'm sorry. This is the 35F palette. The whole time I kept saying 35B. Not 35B, it's 35F. And I'm taking a shimmery shade in here. The whole palette is filled with shimmery shades, but the color that I'll be using today is the second one in the palette. And I'm just gonna put that on. Now I'm about to contour my face. I'm just gonna contour it, and then I'll be using the buffering brush to blend all the foundation in. Now I'm going in with this Laura Mercier's powder, And I'm just gonna set my contour with this. Then I'm going in with the Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and I'm just gonna bake my face. Just highlighting my nose. Then I'm gonna dust off all the excess powder. Then I'm gonna take my glow setter and I'm just gonna spray my face. I love this glow setter, y'all. It's the best. Now I'm taking my Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. Y'all, this stuff is good as fuck. I've been using this for years now. If you ain't using it, then you need to get it for real. I'm gonna line my lips, but this shade is, y'all, it was not working. So I had to go in with the eyeshadow and just outline my lips with that. Then I'm gonna take my NYX lip gloss and just put that on. And y'all, this is the finished look. If y'all like it, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.